Okay, back on another project on the Y2K Stang. Got my light switch. Yeah, that's not very functional. So, gonna replace that on this video. Pulled that knob off, and there's this little clip on the shaft inside there. Some broke off the inside, so that's no good. So I went to O'Reilly's and got a new replacement one out of their help center. Cost me 18 bucks, and there's the part number 76871. It's a Dorman brand. So there's the receipt. Paid $18.14 with tax. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Tools that I'm going to be using so far, unless I run into more, is a T20 Torx or a 7mm socket. So that 7mm and Torx is what you'll use to take the faceplate off your instrument cluster. Get some light up in there. But there's a bolt right here, one right here, and I've already taken them out. So get the screws out of there. Try to do this as fast as I can. In case you're watching this video right now, this Y2K Stang project, I bought this 2000 Mustang for 650 bucks. So go back to the beginning of the playlist on this car and see the progress of what I've been doing, getting it running and all that. See what it looked like before and what it looks like after, while I'm doing all these repairs and mods, what have you. So go back to my channel and watch the beginning of this playlist, and I've got EcoBoost 2015 EcoBoost playlist. You can watch that as well as other videos. So back on track here. Try to take that faceplate off, and it's got some little push clips in there too that you need to pull straight out on. Be careful. It'd be good if you can do it on a warm day where your plastic's not so brittle from the cold. So pull it straight out. Oh, tilt steering wheel down helps a lot. Okay, there's a little push clip that I had to release. Another one right here. Same on this side. Oh, there's one there and one on the bottom. Two on the bottom. So pull them straight out. If you're careful, you shouldn't break anything. Set that off to the side. And there's the light switch right there. Try a little zoom. Alright, you might want to disconnect your battery too. I didn't do it on mine. I think I'm going to be quick enough. But so you got to remove this bolt, and it should be a 7mm as well. Let's see. It is 7mm. probably help to have an extension. Want to be careful not to drop these bolts down behind your dash, which I probably will do. Well, at least my wrench didn't go down. One down. Two down. And pull that out. Then on top, I guess it'd be on the side, there's this little button right here. You got to push that down to release this shaft. And when you do that, your lights will come on. That's why I said to disconnect your battery. Okay. Sorry, I was out of the frame there. I got the camera right in my face. Let's zoom out a little bit. So there that is. Once that's out, set that aside. You can put this back in. Put it all back together. Yeah, if you like this video, I know it's kind of boring right now and just talking to fill some time while I'm putting these screws in. I sure would appreciate people subscribing to my channel, because with YouTube's new monetization policy has hurt me as well as others. Ooh, about lost a socket. But I really could use the subscriptions right now to help get me up to where I need to be again. I was there, just barely got there before, and then they changed the policy and I lost my monetization just like a lot of other people. So sure would appreciate that. Like I say, my channel, I've got several different playlists that I do a lot of different things. Waste oil burner, just lots of other things. Just check out my channel and maybe something there that interests you. Okay, got those fairly tight. Wrench on it. Okay, that in place, and put your bezel back in. Line up them dowels. Screws back up in know I'm out of the frame right now, but just putting them top screws back in. The Torx makes it kind of nice to start those. Okay, and I'll tighten it up with that 7mm. And you could use the Torx as well. Don't get too tough on these screws because you're just working with plastic. You don't want to crack your bezel. Like that. And there's the new one. You should be able to line that up, push it in. So yeah, I had to give that quite a hard push to get that in. Got to give a good push, get that little push pin to lock. There we go. So got the dimmers all working, cargo light. So there that is. Well, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, comment, ask questions, subscribe. That'd be the most important thing with this new monetization. Really hurt me along with a lot of others. So be sure and subscribe and go check out my channel for other things. I've got my EcoBoost 2015, the mods I've done on that, waste oil burner, all kinds of stuff. Go check it out. Have a good one.